Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, you'll be adding sums. How are you today, math stars? I am so excited about another math lesson. So much fun. Today, we're going to be identifying a lesser number. So, yesterday we did larger, greater. We did greater. Do you remember greater? Greater means more. Do that with me. Greater means more. Right. Well, today we're talking about less. Well, that less. Let's look at my little groups of counting bears. Do you see my groups of counting bears here? I have two groups. And I have 1, 2 in this one. And I have 1, 2, 3 in this group. Which group has less? What does that mean? Which group has less? What does that mean? Well, more we did yesterday, which has more. Less is the opposite, not as many. Let's tell a story with these bears. These 3 bears are gummy bears. We're going to pretend, okay? They're gummy bears. Don't really eat them. If you have counting bears, don't really eat them. They're not gummy bears, but we're going to pretend. They're gummy bears. And I have 3 here, and I have 2 here. Which group is more? Did you say 1, 2, 3? There's more. Well, guess what? Which one is less? Right. The group with 2 has less. So less is the smaller number. Ready? Are you ready? Less is smaller. Can you do that with me? Less is smaller. Greater is more. Less is smaller. Good job. So let's get started on our math. Do you have your math books and a pencil? If you don't have your math books and a pencil, and you might want some crayons because we might do some stuff with colors. If you don't have those things, pause the video and go get them. All right, now you have your book. We are on page 57. That is a 5 and a 7. 5, 7. Got it? That's what it looks like. It looks like a classroom with artwork. You know what's going to be so fun? When you guys can do artwork and we can put it up in our classroom. That's going to be fun. Ready? Let's do our math. Where is it? There we are. Here we go. Identify a lesser number. Lesser means smaller. Of objects within 5. So listen, okay? Listen to the story. Represent each group that is using a different number within 5. So what does that mean? I'm going to tell a story. You're going to represent. Let's count how many white papers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 groups of 5. 1 group, 2 group. Okay, which group has a number of painting that is less, smaller? So here's our story. Tracy painted some pictures purple. She painted a different number of pictures orange. Okay, let's do that. We're going to do some that are purple. Okay, so I'm going to do, she painted some purple. I'm going to do purple hearts. You can do whatever purple you want on your page. Okay, and then she did some that were orange. Okay, here we go. That one went off the paper. I got some paint on the wall. Oops. Did that star backwards. Eek. There we go. So now we need to find the group that has less, smaller number. Which is it? Maybe you did different numbers, and that's okay as long as they're not both the same. So here we go. Which one is less? I don't know, Math Wizard. Well, here, you know what I'm going to do? Do you remember how we matched them? Let's match them 1 to 1. This group doesn't have any more to match to that one. And that means it's smaller group. That's the smaller group. Good job, guys. All right, let's turn the page to page 58, 58. Ready? Build understanding. Here are 2 easels. Easels are fun to paint on. Okay, you're going to listen to my sentences, and then you're going to represent the groups. How are you going to represent the groups of objects, okay? You're going to represent them. You can do circles if you want. You don't have to draw the actual picture. And then you're going to circle the group with the number of objects that is less than the other group. Less is smaller. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. This one, the orange box right here with the car. Number 1, Mary draws 4 green plants. She also draws 2 blue fish. So she draws 4 green plants. Are you ready? I'm going to draw 4 leaves. 1. Well, maybe they'll be circles. 2, 3, 4. Those are my 4 plants, and that's fine. They don't look like plants, but that's okay. They're just to represent. Remember, I'm showing you 4 plants. Okay, we also have 2 blue fish. Ready? 1, 2, 2 blue fish. Now I need to find which group is smaller. Which one is smaller? Which one is less? Let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Which is smaller? Once again, if you don't know, if you can't see, well, this looks like it has less, so I think that's smaller. We can match. Let's match. 1, 2. Uh-oh. There's no more that we can match to these. That means that is our smaller group. Good job, math stars. Math star. Hey now, you're a math star. Okay, ready? Nico draws 3 green blocks. 1, 2, 3. And he also draws 1 blue block. 1, 2, 3, 1. Which one is smaller? Which one is less? Less, smaller. Less is smaller. Which one's smaller? Circle it. You do it. And when you're ready, go to the next page. 59, page 59, 59. Are you on that page? Good. Okay, let's listen to our story. Here we go, we're in the green box. Ronnie puts 4 pictures on a shelf. He puts 3 pictures on the table. Oh, look, 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures on the shelf. 1, 2, 3 pictures on the table. Those are very fine pictures. Which group is less? Which group is smaller? Less is smaller. Which one? You tell me. You circle it. Circle which one's smaller. Do you want to match so we can see? Because maybe it's hard to tell. Let's match 1 to 1. Uh-oh, there's no more pictures on the table to match with this one. That means that one's less. That group has less. Good. Oh, crayons. There's a crayon box with blue and a crayon box with green. John has 4 blue crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And he has 5 green crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which box has less? Smaller. Less is smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do it. I'm going to match. Oh, what does that tell you? Which one's less? Okay, once you do it, once you're done, you can pause it if you need to take a minute, and then we'll go to the next page, which, my friends, is on your own. On your own. Are you ready? Listen, put your listening ears on. Math Wizard, all of my ears are my listening ears. Oh, your ears always listen, but now you need to pay attention and listen really, really well. Star number 5, I'm sorry, the sun number 5. Here's a book. Books on a table. Use cubes to represent the group of books on each table. Identify the group with the number of books that is less than the other group. So you can use cubes if you want. That's what it says. You can do it however you want. You do it so you understand it. And then circle which group is less. Okay? Same for this one right here. For this box. Count the number of books. You can use cubes to help you count. Kind of like if I don't have my cubes right here with me. I have my bears. So, I could put my bears on my table and have them represent books. Oh, let me stop so you can see that. So, I could have those represent books. There we go. 2 on that side, on that table. They're bear books, right? We could do that. And then you can represent them, and then you have to circle the smallest group. Got it? Good. All right, my friends. Math stars, you're incredible. You're fantastic. You are fantabulous. That's a fun word, and it's a real word too. Guess what? You finished Module 3, Lesson 2. You're amazing. I will see you tomorrow.